We found the Yodobashi big building. It's underneath the train station. You can see the sign over there. Welcome to Akihabara, Japan. We're going to try to figure out how to get into that electronics store here in Akihabara. There's little stalls here. There's Gacha just outside the shop. There's a French bakery here. JT loves the bakeries. No matter where we go, we always end up in a bakery. Alright, we're going to go into this shop now. It's the Yodobashi Camera store. And guys, it's got 9 stories and two basements. Or downstairs is parking actually. So we'll start on level 6 and then work our way down, right? Oh, you can do a 7, okay. That's the shopping center. Alright guys, we're on level 7 now. And as soon as you exit, the first thing you get hit with is the luggages. What's 25,253 bucks? I almost have a heart attack.
What?
$253 for that little bag. That's more than my whole big backpack.
What the hell is that?
It's a wallet that's for your cards. Oh, they've got tool bags here as well. Wow. We found the ABC Mega Mart. JT wants the jacket that matches that. Couldn't find anything, guys, so we're going to keep moving. So now we're going down to level 6. So level 6 is the gaming level. Oh, it's full of gachas here. Oh, wow. Wow. There's a motorbike keyring gacha. I don't have any of those bikes, but maybe we find a Harley Davidson one. Some of them are 3, some of them are 4, some of them are $5. It's wall to wall of gacha. There's people scanning through each one of these, trying to find the one they're after. Like that lady's gone through every single row, trying to find a specific one.
Found it.
Mazda key.
No, I need to find the GR one.
There's a helmet. Look how long this store is. Wow. And that's one way. It goes back behind me as well. And it goes across that way too. Wow. Look the size of it, it's massive. Got all these little die cast. Even a fighter jet plane. Wow.
Oh.
That's what we have for our wedding. Same one.
Pink one?
We had well, ours wasn't
white
pink.
one.
Ours was white for the wedding, but we had a Hummer. We've got key rings of the JR line. They've got these emotional support pets. Is that what it's called? Emotional support pet? Oh look, there's the little people that you have.
Oh my god, I have this one.
Oh cool, claw machines. There's a grenade one. Oh, you can get a Stitch wallet.
Dad, I love Stitch, please.
How much is it?
100. Yes.
You just bragged saying you're the best at it. We all have the confidence in you. We believe you can do it. She was so confident, and then she changed her mind. Oh, I am. You can get yourself.
Are you joking?
Monkey. All right, so this is full of Lego. Fast and the Furious Lego. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Oh, they've got the Lego bags here too, 140. There's full sports section here as well with bikes. These are electric bikes. Wow. They've got these Star Wars guys. They're pretty much the same height as Emily. That's crazy. Oh wow, there's a full dedicated section for Super Nintendo. Little plushies, guys. Guys, they've got joypad controllers. This is for PlayStation. Obviously, they've got ones for Universal ones as well. Wow, that's pretty cool. We've just come down to the TV section and look at this. They've got 4 65-inch TVs connected together. Looks amazing.
I like that one.
So now we're in level 3 of this mammoth store. Got absolutely everything in this shop, guys. It's like 7 stories of absolutely everything. Oh look, they've even got film, old school film.
Huh?
Wow.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, that's cool.
What?
I haven't seen them for years.
These are the cameras, guys. Look at that. Wow. It's massive. Look at these lenses, man.
That's crazy. That's for like shooting animals
Wow.
in safari.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's a shoot safari.
Wow. What you got there, JT?
This bag. One of these big ones.
Oh, Julie, treat yourself, man. Come on.
Just do it, bro.
Julie. Julie, come on, hey.
You are the worst influence, Steph. I'm not like obsessed with that for me to get up.
What's this?
Look, a little typewriter.
Oh, I tried one of those. A typewriter.
What is it, bud? What do they do? They're tiny.
I got that one. I'm not good at this.
These are cool, eh? Writing pads. Instead of a book, you just get that and you just convert it to your computer. Look how many there are. It's a full wall of them.
How do you run?
Look at this.
Where are they?
We're back down onto the first floor. We've gone through all levels. There's absolutely everything here. Like
Yep.
appliances, there's bags, there's peripheral devices, there's absolutely everything.
Yep.
And just before the exit onto the street, there's a dedicated Apple section. We've got phones, watches, earpods, laptops. We're gonna make our way out now and we're gonna try hit a ramen place today. We're just trying to figure out where to go next, guys. I think we don't know where we are right now, right?
No idea.
We're in an alleyway. There was like another main street, like with gacha and stuff as well, but gotta figure out where it is.
We are going to go find Super Potato, and it's like a building that's got retro video games. So we're just trying to find it now. Oh, what's that? That's a little fish, I think, that they fill with the custard. Oh, look at the crepes. Oh, wow. Oh, oh, wow. The aroma in this place is like insane. You can just smell like the sweetness as soon as you walk out of the shops. Trying to find food places where we can accommodate everyone has been a little bit tricky. So we find the building. It is so confusing here. Look at this, all gacha gacha.
That's claw machines, not gacha gacha.
There is.
Wow. So many of them. The ones that we've been going to are normally about 400 yen. So the claw machine's a little bit harder because you basically put it in and see obviously if you can pick something up to get out. Whereas the other gacha gacha ones, you put your money in and you kind of twist it and then you're guaranteed to get something. Whereas with these ones, with the claw machines, you're not guaranteed to get anything.
Because you see it from TV
Yeah.
animation.
Yes, that's right, yeah.
Characters from animation.
Yep, that's correct, yep. They're everywhere. They're everywhere.
You buy them too? No, never.
No, every age is for everyone.
Now for your grandson?
It's for everyone. They're going to try out some of the claw machines and let's see if any of them win something. And there's heaps, like they're all different. That's why this guy was just saying, are they all from cartoons? We basically just go in, see what's interesting to the girls and they try and play them. So it's not like they're looking for any particular ones, whereas some people actually go and want to find particular ones. Do you guys get anything? No? Oh, the actual gacha gachas are better because you actually get something out of them. No. Oh God, they're all over the place here. Look at this place. Look at it. It's crazy. Look at that. Look at the escalators on the side of the building. That'd be pretty cool. Pretty insane. Nade Fisuba. What's that? Game Panic. It's like all high rises everywhere. You can hear the train station going on top of us. There's more gacha gacha on the street. Heaps of vending machines everywhere as well. Oh, is that KFC? Oh wow, look at the KFC here. We haven't tried like a proper ramen place. We're gonna try and see if we can find somewhere to sit for ramen. Oh here, look, it's up there.
Oh, there.
There, it's up there.
There.
We have to go upstairs. We found it, it's called Super Potato and it's like all vintage games. So here we are. So it says, please enter the Super Potato from the right side. Oh, there's three levels. These lifts are so scary. As soon as you walk in, the doors just start closing. Like they don't even wait for you to walk into the lift. Oh, wow. It's all retro gaming. Oh, Nintendo 64. 115 bucks. Is that the new one? The new one's 250. That's not too bad. Games.
Oh, remember Wally?
Yeah.
Is that all consoles? I'm on a Sega Saturn, babe. Wow. How old is that?
$70. There's just heaps of games. Those are all retro games. Obviously, I don't think they're new. I think they're like second-hand ones. Do you reckon like they'll be in English?
Is that $5?
Yeah. Heaps of games. Donkey Kong.
Oh, really?
Yep. Super Mario. Heaps of games. Street Fighter.
Yeah.
I used to play Street Fighter. GoldenEye.
It's $47, bro.
There's another level upstairs. I think there was 3 levels. Oh, these stairs are next level.
What the?
3.
It's meant Mario.
Oh, here we are. There's more. Don't know what these are. Oh, here's your Atari. PlayStation. This must be the old PlayStation games. PS3. Wow. There's one more level. Let's go check it out. Oh my god, these stairs are so steep. God, there's...
You did it. Go on.
Oh, it's a big Game Boy. Look at that. So there's gamers that come up here, obviously, and they have a game. And they've got some snacks and vending machines here, so obviously that they don't have to leave this place to go get food and snacks. So, how was that?
Divine. Everything's overhyped, I think.
When you come into the shops, you have to order everything from a computer. You can't actually sit down in the restaurant and order and tell them what you want and what you don't want. So we basically just walked in and there was like a computer that we were just choosing stuff that looked appetizing, so we don't know what they are. That was that spicy one.
I don't know what's in there, but...
Is it spicy?
A little bit, yeah. It's not bad. Give it a go.
Yeah.
And the noodles are crunchy as well. They're not
They're not soft. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigato. That's really nice.
That one's nice.
Yeah.
What's in that one? That's like a pork.
Yeah. So that and that one there's the same, I think. Very similar.
Yeah.
Tastes like the one from the shopping centre at Rinku Outlets.
Okay.
It's alright. It's not bad.
Not bad. So just like a little seating area.
Have one.
It's probably one of the biggest ones that we've actually seen here. There's a few rows of seats. All the other ones have like seats for only like 2 people.
Hey.
Well, actually say 4 people max.
How is it?
It's good. I don't even know how to use chopsticks. Wow. Huh?
Wow.
Oh, can't use them.
Just use your fingers.
Oh wow, you can smell the chili in this one.
It's good.
Wow, it's chili.
Alright guys, we're getting some funny looks here now because obviously everyone comes in here, eats and gets out. So there's limited seating, so we're going to hurry up and get through this. And we'll see you guys when we're out there. We just finished up in the ramen place. Right now we're in the claw machine place. And look at this. You can actually win a car, Julie. Wow.
No chance you can do that.
It's a remote control car. That would have been cool to win one of those. These claw machines are all over the place. Alright guys, JT's leading the way now, taking us back to the train station. We will follow you blindly. JT, look at that guys. Look at the screens everywhere. Wow. What's this, dedicated to games? Oh, sorry. Poor guy almost fell off his bike. We ran out in front of him and he panicked. He thought bloody tourists running out in front of him on the street. Alright, let's go see what's here. It's these little stores. That's a gift shop. What's this? Oh, it's all cards. We came, we saw, we conquered, we bought nothing again. Look at this place, guys. It's just vibrant billboards. Like everywhere you go, it's basically got vibrant coloured billboards, neon lights, or massive TVs. And I think, guys, that's the gambling hub, the pachinko games. There's so many people in there as well, and it's a weekday lunchtime.
Tuesday.
We're walking down towards Akihabara station. It's all electronics, anime.
Oh my god, it's Denny's. Oh, please, we're here anyway.
We just found Denny's restaurant.
We're here anyway.
So guys, we're trying to figure out a way back to the train station now. Steph and Amy have gone for a walk to get some soccer boots. We're on our own now. We've got to figure out whether we're gonna get a train or whether we're gonna get an Uber back to the hotel room.
What?
I said we need to figure out whether we're getting a train or an Uber back to the hotel room.
Uber. I don't remember coming down.
Yep.
Probably.
we are a little bit lost, and that's where we are.
There's a Macca's. Macca's up there.
JT reckons she knows where she's going because she saw McDonald's. Some of these restaurants, like the one that we just went to before that we had ramen at, they don't come to your desk to take your order. So you basically walk in, there's a computer screen, you go through, it's got the menu. There was an option to select English, which is what we did. And then you basically just pick your food and sit down and they bring it out to you. So we're gonna get some donuts or dessert from here, guys. JT's in heaven right now. She loves donuts. So that's how they glaze them, guys. Torch the top of them. Guys, JT's gonna put an order through. Whatever she gets, we'll try. No matter what she gets, we're gonna like it anyways. This place is called Jack in the Donuts. And it's got donuts from everywhere. It's got French, Japanese, American. All right, so JT's got the goods.
So this is the sugar one. I don't know what's in it. That's the sugar one.
Give it a go. Oh, it's got sultanas in it. How is it? Oh, what's that one?
Chocolate.
Oh yeah.
They're not soft.
They're not soft? Oh no.
It's like a biscuit more than a donut. Oh, this one's soft. That one's a soft one. That one's nice. It's like a cronut with just the icing on top. Cream brulee.
Oh, the lady's been roasting it for the last 7 hours.
Top of it is not nice. Top of it is burnt. That wrecks the flavour.
Tastes like a biscuit.
Yeah. It's more of a biscuit than a donut.
What's this, original glaze?
Yeah, that's the original glaze one.
That one tastes like a donut. The other one tastes like a biscuit. That's pretty good actually. It's not bad.
Overall?
I've had better donuts.
Yeah.
That's the custom one right there. That's not too bad. The chocolate one tasted horrible. It tastes like a biscuit.
Yeah, it's a biscuit.
The original glaze was alright. But I don't know, they're not too sweet. Like, everything we've had so far here hasn't been that sweet.
No.
Whereas in Australia or America, if we had that in Australia or America,
Oh yeah.
that would have been a sugar overload.
Yeah, 100%.
Alright, we're going to smash through them. We're going to try to navigate our way back to the station. And then we're going to go back to the hotel room. Alright guys, so we've just finished. We're back at the hotel room. We've done Akihabara, the Akihabara street. Today's our last day.
Yep, we're gonna just get some last minute things. We're gonna do some packing, and then that's it. Thank you so
Peace.
much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our vlogs.